Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making a delicious breakfast item, an omelette pizza, for which we will be requiring the following ingredients. First, we'll be requiring a dough which is just made from plain flour and water, and we'll top off the dough with some oil. From this dough we will be taking 3 dough balls. Because we have taken 3 dough balls, so we will be requiring 3 eggs, some chopped up bell peppers, tomatoes, mushrooms, red onions, some butter, salt, black pepper, Italian herb seasoning or oregano, whichever is available to you. Let's get started. For making the dough, we will just be requiring flour and water, and we'll start kneading them together. Nothing else needs to be added to make this dough. Once we are done with it, we will be topping it off with some oil. For this recipe, we will be taking a bigger dough ball than the usual. We will be flattening it up between our palms and putting it in dry plain flour and start rolling it. Try to roll it as close to a round shape as you can. Once this is done, we will put our griddle on medium flame and set it aside to warm up. I have taken 2 eggs over here because I am planning to make 2 omelette pizzas. We will whisk these eggs very nicely. Continuously whisk it. If you like, once you are done with whisking, you can add the veggies directly to this whisk mixture. I will be adding it later, which I'll be showing you in a couple of minutes. Once you whisk the eggs, add the pizza seasoning or oregano that you have, some salt, some red chili powder. If you like, you can substitute the red chili powder with black pepper. Now that our griddle is hot, our eggs are whisked, we will take this flatbread and place it on the griddle and let it cook for some time. Now we will flip our flatbread and see that one side is semi-cooked, so we will cook the other side also in the same manner. As I had told you before, we can directly add the veggies to the whisked eggs, or we can do the other method which I am showing you right now. We will pour this whisked egg mixture on top of the flatbread and spread it with the help of a fork. Now we are gonna add some veggies of our choice. Over here am adding some bell peppers, some onions, some tomatoes, some mushrooms. If you like, you can also add some corn, baby corn, or any veggie of your choice at this step. I'm sprinkling some oregano on top. Now we will be putting some oil to fry up the base of this flatbread. I will be placing a lid on top of it and let it cook for a couple of minutes. After a couple of minutes, we will remove the lid and flip this. As you can see, the side is golden brown and perfectly cooked. Now to this side, I am adding butter rather than oil to add more flavor to our omelette pizza. Again, we will be covering this up with the lid and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Now, as you can see, our yummy, delicious omelette pizza is ready. It's golden brown from one side and perfectly cooked from the top. You can add some mustard sauce, some ketchup, or any sauce of your preference to it. Please give this recipe a try. and let us know how you liked it in the comment section below.